Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are good. So, student, in the previous video, we learned about um, notice, where notices are used, what is the use of notice, and where these notices are displayed. And we learned about the format of notice also. So, in this video, we will learn how to write the notice. So student, first of all, we read the question. As Neelab Sen, this is the name, a student and the captain of class 7th of Lala Hardayal Memorial School, Agra. Write a notice for inviting the students of your school to participate in tree plantation drive. Have you got it, students? What this question is trying to say? Suppose you are Neelab Sen. आप नीलप सेन है, स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 7. स्कूल नेम इज हरदयाल मेमोरियल स्कूल, आगरा. आपको इनवाइट करना है स्टूडेंट्स को पार्टिसिपेशन के लिए किसके? ट्री प्लांटेशन ड्राइव. मीन्स ट्री प्लांटेशन वीक चल रहा है, उसमें स्टूडेंट्स को ट्रीज प्लांट करने हैं. उसके लिए आपको स्टूडेंट्स को इनवाइट करके एक मीटिंग करनी है उसके लिए. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी start write the notice so that we can learn how to write it. So student, firstly we will draw a box. One second. We will draw a box. I will draw without the scale because it's not possible to draw with one hand because I am making the video. So student, firstly we will draw a box like this. Okay students, then what I told you, we should write the name of the school. What name is given here? Hardayal Memorial, Lala Hardayal Memorial. So firstly we will write in capital letter Lala Hardayal Memorial. So you should also write this name in short form. Next we will write notice in capital letters. Everything will be written heading in capital letter. After that we will leave one line. We will write the date. Suppose today is 29. Then we'll write 29th April 2020. You will write from here because I am making the video, so I cannot do this. Next you will leave one line, then you will write the subject in capital letters. It will also be written in capital letters. Join the tree plantation drive. Subject should always be written in middle. Okay. Next you will write from here. You will start the notice always. Every notice will be started from this line. So student, we have got the problem when we write something that how to start and how to end that topic. So student, you can start the notice by this line. This is to inform. You can start every notice with this line. This is to inform. Students, I am making the video, so the writing can not be neat and clean, so don't mind it. This is to inform to all the students of class 7th, or you can write class also only, that our school is going to start a tree plantation drive from, you will write the further date, आगे की डेट लिख सकते हो आप, नेक्स्ट डेट 29th April, 4th May. Date and venue is compulsory. 4th May to 8th May, during which a total of 500 saplings will be planted in nearby areas volunteers are invited to give their names to the undersigned. Undersigned means authority जो होती है, undersigned, latest by third, 2nd May 20XX 2020. For in the end you can write this line in every notice. For further information contact the undersigned. Next you will write your name. If name is given in the question, you will write that name. What name was there? Neelab Sen. So we will write Neelab Sen and double E. If there is no name in the question, you will write your name. Next you will sign. You will mark your sign in capital letters. Sorry, this is sign, and now you will write your name in capital letters and double E LABH. Neelab Sen. Who are you? Monitor, or what was in the question? Captain. Captain of the school. Or head boy or head girl can also become here. So this student, you will write the notice like this. So students, okay, goodbye, thank you.